Hello everyone, Team Ultron here. Today we are thrilled to present our latest project, a recipe generator designed for advanced users who love to customize their culinary experience. Whether you're focused on nutritional value or ingredient preferences, our platform has you covered. Let's start by discussing our accessibility features. With the option to toggle dark mode, users can enjoy a comfortable viewing experience day or night. Plus, our dynamic interface provides real-time tracking and responsive feedback, making cooking a truly enjoyable activity once again. Now, let's explore our innovative image input capabilities here. Whether you're using a PC or a mobile device, uploading an image or taking a photo is seamless. Simply select your image or use our convenient camera input feature to capture a photo on the go. Once your image is uploaded or captured, the fun begins. Our powerful algorithm generates personalized recipes based on your preferences and with the option to copy recipes to your clipboard or generate multiple variations. The possibilities are endless. But what truly sets us apart is our commitment to customization. Our update option allows users to modify recipes to suit their tastes and dietary needs, whether you're adjusting portion sizes or substituting ingredients. Our platform empowers you to take control of your cooking experience. Not only that, but you can also customize each and every nutrient, ingredient, or parameter for the recipe to make it your own. Aside from that, our system also provides you with existing recipes which you can simply click and try out. These suggestions make user experience seamless, giving users an opportunity to try new recipes they haven't tried before. In conclusion, our recipe generator offers unparalleled customization options and a vast library of recipes to explore. Thank you for your attention, and we are excited to see how our platform enhances your cooking experience. Take care and bye.